The most important was to be on the front row today, and I felt like we achieved our goal. Then, yes, Bagnaia got the yellow flag. It happens to me yesterday on FP2. It happens to him on qualifying. We need to congratulate him for his lap because it was really fast. But yeah, it's great to start from pole position tomorrow.